Obviously and certainly, you're welcome to Zyc TV. Zyc TV is a community that is dedicated to producing videos on NFT, pre-sales, token, and anything that has to do with the crypto space. This video is all about Turtle Puff. I don't know if I pronounce that properly. PFAU. Should it be Puff or Puff? Please correct me. Thank you. Nonetheless, the Puff is a community that is not just one all about crypto, but it's one all about helping one another. How? Turtle Puff is more than just a fair launch DeFi token. PAF is all about community, and that's why at Total PAF, all investors will be encouraged to vote on changes every step on the way. Decisions isn't made only by the team of CEO and developers. You can actually trade BNB for PAF on the most popular decentralized platform in the galaxy. That is actually the PancakeSwap. Nonetheless, there is more you have to know about the Total PAF before this video comes to an end. Being part of the BSC community for a long time, they claim that their team has been able to, over time, help and figure out how to grow the market. Most projects fail due to the development team providing a lack of communication, progress, and lack of involvement with the community. POAF has claimed to be different, and they say POAF will set new standard for their community-driven token. And as a matter of fact, POAF aims to stand around for a very, very long time. How do we know this? First of all, every single holder will be able to vote on major decisions made by them. On November 26th, there will be a fair launch which is already done, and 40% of tokens will be born. On the daily, they will continue to burn an additional 1% of token for 20 working days. That's 20% of tokens will be burned, taking the total burn to over 60%. Their marketing will start and they will continue an ongoing basis to build awareness. Then they will turn their focus into getting listed on platforms such as CMC and CoinGecko. And then they will build relationship with great influencers to grow their publicity, then further move to third-party audit and then KYC verification, obviously. And then they also look at having their NFT being released. And as part of their community-driven project, the part that their token takes is down the community. And then conclusively, they aim at doing charity donations. So any profit made, they are looking at also donating to charity. I can't ascertain the exact number of holders, but from their platform, they say or they celebrated having 152 holders. 152 holders is actually a good number for a start. Now, looking at the post on Telegram, it says, post launch, we are going to be asking some community members to share their views on the token, and we will be posting these on the website for all to see. I pray this project is going to be a very successful one on the long run. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification. This is Zysis TV, and we produce videos that we believe is going to help you on the long run.